So we're out here at my new listing off of East Lake Fork, and this is a 12-acre piece of property. And it's actually a flagpole lot that comes off of Farm to Market, and then it kind of rectangles out, comes with all this property, and then also squares off and has an easement that goes out onto East Lake Fork Road. This property could potentially be subdivided. It also has water rights to the Boulder irrigation ditch. That might be something you're interested in if you wanted to keep the property as a whole. It has several outbuildings, and the home itself is over 5,000 square feet and has 2 different sets of living quarters, right? So you have a full kitchen upstairs and downstairs, full laundry room upstairs and downstairs. So if you're looking for a dual living situation, or maybe an in-home business where you wanted to rent out the other level, then this house might be the property for you. So the great thing about the Lake Fork area is that you're just 7 miles from downtown McCall. It's south of McCall. And we've talked about before on videos that when you're in the county or outside of the city limits, you have lower property taxes. And so you're just a short drive into downtown, very wooded. So while you're so close to everything, it just feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. So out in Lake Fork, they do have Gemma's Deli, and they also have the Lake Fork merch. So you don't have to go, back into town and make the full 7-mile drive if you forgot something. There are 2 places that are a lot closer, just right on the corner of Highway 55 and East Lake Fork. Also, if you're looking to go out to eat, you could go to the Jug Mountain Clubhouse. They have prime rib actually on Saturday nights, which is tomorrow. And you have amazing Jug Mountain views from so many places on this 12 acres. So thanks for watching this video of 164 East Lake Fork. If you're looking for a large acreage property, still wooded, there's not a ton of large acreage wooded properties left here in McCall. And so if that's something you're looking for, you might be interested in this property. So call to make an appointment today.